I thought that it would be possible to hunt pheasants in northern Minnesota. Well, it is.
Oh my gosh. We just killed a rooster in northern Minnesota. Wow. Good dog. Good boy, Pooh. Here.
I was able to kill one. There were quite a bit of hens actually that we found throughout the days, and really wasn't too bad. But anyway, I moved from Southwest Minnesota, so I just gotta take what I can get. I have a pretty good little puppy here, but he's also a puppy. What we do have in upper Minnesota is ruffed grouse. So that's what we're gonna go after today. Wish me luck. Pooh and I haven't been able to hunt them a ton, and I really don't know anything about them. But what I do know is that they are here. They're pretty few and far between where I'm at, but they're here, and it's something to hunt. So here we go.
Oh, so just shot one. Totally didn't get it on film. And I'm not sure if he's quite dead, but hopefully we can find him. I'm gonna walk this way, the way he ran. So, where's the bird, Pooh? Let's see. Got up at the base of this tree. Let's see if I took any feathers off it. Where's the bird? Come on, Pooh. Where's the bird? Gotta try to get him again. Because I think I hit him, but not good enough. Where's the bird? So I'm gonna let Pooh do the work. I'll work really slow. Dead bird, Pooh. Dead bird. Dead bird. Pooh. Let's go. Fetch. Good boy. Good boy. My baby. There's one over there, okay? This is the one we got. They totally fooled us. He's probably 100 yards away.
You'll see Pooh at the top of the screen here. He stops, he's really birdie and he's pointing, but he doesn't quite understand what's going on because he can't figure out where this bird is. It turns out it actually had flew up into the tree from me shooting the last bird. I apologize to the grouse purists out there, but I was a bit trigger happy and my dog was a little confused, so I just let it happen.
Dead bird. Oh my gosh, a third one. Okay, where are you? Just went down in the corner. Dead bird. Another one. Oh my gosh. Dead bird. Okay, how many is that? 3. That's 3. Good boy, here. That's the younger one. Dead bird.
I just went ahead and picked these up. Usually I want Pooh to finish his job, but I noticed that he was really birdie and he wanted to keep hunting and pointing. And at this point in his life, I'd rather him do that. So we just continued on.
There was one that I shot, and it was that first one. I shot him out of the air, and then I knew he was a runner. I didn't know he had this many friends with him. We've got another one in the corner. Okay, here. Here. Pooh knew he was in there. My right trigger is not shooting. I shot under that one. Easy. second trigger is not shooting. Easy. Drum to here. Look at that. Drum of the bird right here. On the right track. No! Shoot! That's really unfortunate. So I have one shot now. Looks like my firing pin isn't working. I was right on that son of a gun, dude. I got a single shot.
Well, my camera died, so I had to wrap the video up. I was actually able to move 5 more grouse without the camera, and I was able to shoot at 3. I was not able to harvest any of those, but it was a great night overall. Pooh started picking it back up. He started pointing a lot better. That wasn't the best dog work, I'll be the first to admit. Pooh was just excited to be out, and so was I. So I just took my shots where I could, and I was just happy to be shooting. We won't be out for a while again. I'll be working probably all this week. There's a lot of snow coming, but I do have a friend from Indiana coming. His name's Hunter. He's got a couple English setters. I'm really excited to hunt with him. We're going to be hunting in southwest Minnesota for pheasants, so I'm really pumped because I get to go home and hunt on my stomping grounds. So I'm pretty pumped. Please subscribe or don't. Pooh and I are excited for what's to come.